This is Mr. Richard. On this sunny East African day, I decided that I would like mangoes from the tree that I've been hungrily staring at for a while. These are no ordinary mangoes, but the sour variety that is perfect to cook with, great for curries and chutneys. Bear in mind, the tree is incredibly high, so I enlisted the help of Mr. Richard, and off he went, broom in hand, to assess the situation. The broom had been cleverly customised to include a rubbery extension thingy, but it was clear that additional height was required. So Mr. Richard emerged with this. But because we feared for his life, he then changed to this. The mangoes were proving to be a little stubborn, and after a number of failed attempts, with some gentle persuasion, we started to relieve the tree of its fruits, losing some in the process. But with a little determination and persistence, eventually, success! Finally, there were enough mangoes to cook my seafood curry, thanks to Mr. Richard.